They are brought to us by Ranch Fuel Energy Drink. Last night, it was all Cassie Bowery.
3, 2, 1, go.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, set, go.
Ready and set, they were homeless in Oregon for this talented lady. And about 4 others through the year that routed them up. Cheer them to the line. Wow! That's hot. 13:54. That will set the pace.
We're going to take you to Marshall, Texas, where Abby Phillips, she had big cash in round number 3. She was the champion sisters by talent. Coming to the entry gate as she dances down the tunnel. Hammer time. Come on, cowgirl. 3 good turns. When they come out of barrel number 3. Shucks. Plus 5.
Number 2 in the round last night, Carly Otero, a family of rodeo, has made nearly $90,000 so far. Come on, Carly. Let her know it's nice to have her back in Vegas. 13-7.
Shelly Morgan, Texas lady. She won money 7 out of 10 nights. That'll help make a millionaire out of you quickly in this city. Lots of money up for grabs. Shelly Morgan, what do you say? 2022 NFR average champion. How about a little fan power blowing her away? 10 seconds of time penalty.
Name is Haley Kinsel of Cotulla, Texas. World titleist 4 times. To get ready. Come on, everybody. Come on. Just incredible. The idea is to make money every.
All right, cowgirl. Keep them all 3 standing up.
This is how we fight.
Grab a beer. Put it in the wind. Come on. Come on. Now she can hear you. 1394. That is number 4 as we're in the early sled.
Comes out of Montgomery, Texas. I got one bucket about. Brought it back. All right, Ashley. Castleberry.
As of late. Moving up to number 2 in the world, she has the horse of the year. She's number 1 in the average. She won round 4. She won round 5. Let's see it happen again. Gotcha. 13:25.
Las Vegas and our Wrangler NFR. Look at here. Folks, we got another great run going on. Gonna wind up at a 13.92 off of that 3rd Coors.
South Dakota lady. It's your turn. 2019 Grand National Circuit Champion. Locking the hubs. 4-wheel drive. Noise pollution. 1370.
6. From Texas, Tiana Schuster, get set. Gets off of that first turn and on 2. You can start cheering a little early. Come on, Tiana.
Rated around that second, third place tally. The end of the season of 2024. She's won $21,000. Nobody's giving it away. You gotta reach out and go for it. 1379. That's the last spot in the money. 2 to go.
One of those to the Governor's Cup. Then she was Silver Top Talent in there as well. She is in Las Vegas right now. Need you here. $13.93.
Gave room the lady we speak of. She coming into this year's finals, number 9.